how to make a toggle button which is used to swap the light mode and dark mode using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's begin. First, we should create a folder in desktop folder. Type any name. I'm typing toggle button and open this file using VS Code. Press go to file and open folder and select this toggle button. Select folder. Now create a file inside this folder. I'm typing index.html. Include the necessary tags such as HTML tag, head, given a title. I'm giving toggle button and include the body tag, include the style tag for internal css. In body I'm giving like a div tag class name. You can use a container. You can type in this way or you can use simple like dot container and press enter. Inside this div tag we should type two. I'm creating a input tag. I'm with the type like I'm creating a checkbox. Now we can see open the folder. Now we can open that folder. A checkbox is created and give a ID for this checkbox as ch and type a label tag. Include the label tag and give the for attribute. What is typed here? It should be given here. I am type for you can type check whether the label is working or not. What is the use of this label? While clicking this label, it will be enable the checkbox. It is usage of this label. Now you can see here. While I am clicking this label, it will check the checkbox. It is one of the major advantage of this label. I am removing this label. You can keep it the label and I am proceeding with CSS. I am setting the padding and margin globally 0 and also I am first we can uh, select this container and you can give the position. I'm giving absolute because it will be a child to the body tag. It will be takes the position of body. Now again giving the display as flex. Now you can see now can the padding and margin is removed. Now I'm giving a class for this label. You can give a label as a class name. I'm typing display equal to flex and align items center. It will vertically align the items here center in this position and also I'm including like justify content equal to center. It will horizontally place these items in center and also I'm giving width 100% and height equal to 100%, which will 100% mid it will 100% of its parent. Its parent is nothing but it is a body. Refreshing this now it will be placed like it will placed in center with equal to 100% of body and height equal to 100% of the body because absolute will take the previous ancestor position, previous parent position. It will takes the position of the what will given it will takes the body as his parent and it will take the width and height from the body tag and now I'm including. I am now we can select this label dot label and I'm giving relative position. I'm placing this label as a relative position and giving a border 1 pixel and what type of the border you can give solid, dotted, dashed. I'm giving solid as my type of border and what is the color of the border? I'm giving black as my border. You can see the black borders. You can also give like I'm given solid first. You can also give dotted. Dotted will look like this dot around this label, but it is not looks good. I'm giving solid as my border. Now touching the label, it will check the checkbox. I'm also giving the background color. You can give any background color. I'm giving silver as my background color. We can see the silver, and also we should reduce its radius. It should looks like a circle curve. It should not look like a rectangle. It should like for that you can use the border radius can give 10 pixel, 20 pixel, 20 pixel border. We should give something like we should give width and height. For the width 100 pixel and height I'm giving 50 pixel. Now we can see this looks like a. I'm clicking this label, it enable the clicking this label, it enable the checkbox, and I'm removing this label here. I'm reducing the height 40. It will look like. Now you can see it's look like a toggle button. Now we should create a circle here. For this, I am selecting like label before. It will uh, select this label before attribute. Before is nothing but labels pseudo element. It will create. Now we should I am creating the position as absolute because why I'm giving absolute, because label will be the parent and the label before would be its child. It's not should not give relative here, because therefore I'm giving absolute here. uh, and also content contents is nothing but uh, no content, no content here. Background color white. Nothing will be visible. Like we should specify the height, and with I am specifying the height like 40 pixels. For this I'm giving 40. Therefore I'm giving here 40 pixels, and width also 40 pixels. Now we can see a white layer is created. It is nothing but pseudo element of this label. Before it create a layer around, and also I'm giving a border. Border we can give 2 pixels. Solid black border, can give black border. We should uh, it is not we should add the border radius 10 pixels. Can increase the border radius. 20 pixels will be nice. And also I'm also reducing this border as one. Now you can see it looks nice. We should Next we should animate this. Should move from here to this position. And also I'm turning my cursor. This is also important. Pointer means it's look like an symbol. You know, nothing change. Mouse is not changing here, but after refreshing it will be changed to pointer, you can see. And also I'm adding this input. If input check checked, this input tag, I am referring this input tag. I am typing input equal to check plus I am using the CSS combinator, which is adjacent sibling combinator. For this label I am using for this label, which selects this label and also this checkbox. If it is in checked state, it will execute the following condition, not return the following condition. I will return label before. If the input tag is checked state, this is the checked state. The following condition will be executed, which is I am transforming the label before to somewhat like transform and translate. I am moving it in x axis. Translate x. You can give any pixels. For instance I'm giving 10 pixels. Translate 10 pixels. You can refresh. Now we can see it will not moving further. It will stacking. For this I'm giving like 50 pixels. Now since you can see 60 pixels. Now you can see it is perfect, but the transition is not smooth. It like looks like the animation is not, it's not smooth. For the smooth animation, I'm adding a transition property here. Transition, transition. You can give 0.5 seconds. Now you can see. Now you can see uh, the button is moving smoothly. Now you can see. Can click anywhere in the label. Now the animation is smooth. Is now we should have the function for this button. And also I'm changing the color of the input tag. Check the check check plus dot label. I'm changing the background color of the label to blue. Sorry, now it will work. Now you can see if the input tag is checked, the label is nothing but this tag. It will be its background will be changed to this silver background. You can see the silver background will be changed to blue color. Now you can see. Now you can see the silver background is changed to the silver background is changed to blue color. Now it's almost finished. Now we can remove this visibility of this checkbox. It can be removed by I am selecting this id. You can select the id using cs by hash. For class you should use the dot, but for id you should use hashtag hash ch. And visibility, citing the visibility, you can see here it's visibility hidden. You can type hidden. Sorry, hidden. You can see now the checkbox is hidden. You can press here to move this. Now it's almost ready. You should add the function using javascript for this css element. It can be achieved by before proceeding into javascript. Let me show you, let me include this paragraph tag. You can type lorem 100. Lorem 100 will give the 100 random words. You can see you can remove this because the paragraph tag. You can see. Now you can see the random text is placed using lorem. I am placed this random text for dark mode by basically what is the dark mode. Now you can remove this as well. You can remove. First of all, what is the dark mode? Dark mode is nothing but light mode, and dark mode is nothing but this swapping of this text color and background color. Now I'm you can change for the background. I'm showing what is the dark mode. Background, I'm using the background color bg color equal to black. Now the background is changed to black. I'm using style tag, and I'm using color. Color is nothing but text color. You can see here it is a dark mode. I'm going to change the page. I'm going to change the body as body bg color, and style color white using the javascript. You can also give like bg color. You can also give like it is also possible. You can give like background color also. Here is background color black. It is also another method. Now I am basically I'm ultimately I'm going to do this. When clicking this button it will change to. Now I'm removing this attribute and just I'm giving id for this b. I'm giving a id b, and for input tag I'm giving ch as id. My id, I'm giving declaring a variable cb means checkbox. I'm getting the id. I'm getting the document.get element by id. I'm getting the checkbox ID. This is checkbox ID. This is ch, and duplicating this line for next variable. Alt shift down arrow. I'm giving like can give b. The ID also b. The body ID is b. You can see this ID. I'm getting this ID, and I'm going to add a event listener for this variable. Event listener for this variable. Now I will explain what is event listener. Add event, you can give like CB is nothing but on clicking the label it will enable the checkbox which is kept here. I'm not it is not visible. It is not visible, but by clicking the label it will enable the checkbox. For this CB I'm adding for this element label checkbox. I'm adding like the by clicking this label, it will enable the checkbox. The checkbox is in this variable. Checkbox is assigned to this variable. I'm going to add a event listener. Add event listener. Event listener. add event listener. Inside this, I'm going to give a event like click. Click is a event. By clicking, we should call the function. I'm giving semicolon here. Now we can click what is going to happen inside this function. If CB is checkbox. Checkbox in check means we should change the what we should change. We should change this body background to black. B dot background. We should use camel casing here. Black. BG color equal to black. Sorry. B dot style dot BG color equal to black. Now you can see the color is swapped to by clicking this label. The body background color is changed to black. And also we should change the body style dot what is should change the color to white. Now you can see the night mode is created. It's not created, but it's created. We should add else condition. If not checked, if unchecked means we should add like we should swap the color back again. Background color white, and can copy this and copying the style color. You can give black to black. Now we can see now it is working correctly and it looks beautiful. You can see it now. Can see Now you can see the toggle button is working correctly. Now swap the body background color into white and the text color into black. Now it is swap the text color into white and the background color into black. This is really happening here. You can that's all about this video. Thank you. Thank you.